Hello guys, what's up? This is Dinkar Chaudhary back with another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can get rupees 300 Amazon gift card for free without doing anything. So you don't have to do anything in this trick. You just have to install this app and keep it installed in your mobile device, and you can earn an unlimited number of Amazon gift card. So it gives rupees 300 gift card every month, and you can do this month, next month, and the next month, and the next month to it also. So it is a very easy trick. So let's start. First of all, you have to click on the link I have given in the description. Just click on it and open it. I will be also giving this link in the comment section also, so you can click on it and open the link. So when you have opened the link, it will look like this. It will open this page. You have to enter phone number, any phone number you want, but it should be with you. I'm just entering a random number. After that, select career, which is idea, and after that click on I agree to terms and condition and click on install mobile expression. So this software is called mobile expression. It gives rupees 20 recharge also every 10 days, and will also give you 5 credits every Monday, and you can just redeem 300 rupees gift card for 20 credits. I will be showing you how to do that. So you can see it has tracked my mobile device, which is Coolpad Note 3 Lite. So if it has not, if it just tracks your device wrongly and it just shows wrong device, you have to click on this. Click here to select your phone, and you can just select another mobile device. After that, you have to just enter all the information. After that, you have to input any email address. The email address should belong to you. You just have to make sure that the email address belongs to you. After that, click on state and select any state you want in which you are living. I live in Delhi, so I will be just clicking on Delhi. After that, you have to select your mobile operator, mobile phone number. Enter the same mobile number, or you can just enter any other mobile number also you want, as you want. After that, you have to select gender and select age. So you have to make sure that you have this mobile number, because you will be entering this mobile number while registering on the app. When you have installed the app, you have to just enter this number. Let's just select all the information. Just enter all the information. And after filling all the information, click on I am the owner of this mobile device, and I understand that a condition to my participation in this service that I agree to periodic text messages from mobile expression. Click on submit. After you have submitted all the information, just click on submit. I think I have just filled anything wrongly. So LPG stove, I missed this. Click on yes and click on submit again. So on the next page, it will tell you that you are eligible for installing the mobile expression software, and you can click on the link to install the software. So now you can see it is showing that install the mobile expression software. You are almost done. To complete your registration and take the first step towards earning your reward, you must install the mobile expression software on your phone and turn on user access. So you have to click on this install mobile expression. It will take you to Play Store. Then you have to install the app. So after you have installed the app, you have to open it and enter the same mobile number. It is a very small app, less than 100 KB. So after that, you have to complete the registration. So after you have completed the registration with the same mobile number, you have the app will look like this on your mobile device. When you open it, it will just open your account in a Chrome browser. This app is very small, so it does not have any data. So when you click on it, it will open a web page like this with your rewards. You have to open that every Monday to claim your 5 credits. So as you can see, I have 0 credits right now because I have redeemed my credits. I will be showing you that. So you can see you can get 300 rupees Amazon gift card for 20 credits, and you can also redeem Pantaloons e-gift card for 20 credits, but we will be redeeming the Amazon gift card. So I will show you my credits history. As you can see my order history, which is I have ordered an Amazon gift card on 23 January, which I have received in my email. As you can see, I will be showing you that I have received the email gift card. As you can see, instruction for redeeming I have received this email gift card, and now I have also redeemed it in my Amazon account. I will be showing you my credit history also. So when we go to our credits, it will show you when did you earn your credits, when did you redeem your credits. So as you can see, I got my first 5 credits on 3 January, then 9 January, then 16 January, and then 23 January. And on the same day I just I just redeem my points for Amazon gift card. So you can also do it very easily, and you have to you just have to install this app on your mobile device for 1 month to receive 300 rupees gift card every month. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Click the like and subscribe button if you found this video helpful, and watch out for more videos.